day, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Marketing Heist. I'm your host, Valentina Haufiku, and in today's episode, we are diving into budgeting for your marketing. Get comfortable, take out your notepads, and let's get started. What is budgeting? A marketing budget documents how much your business plans to spend on marketing over a specific period of time, like a year, a quarter, or a month. Why is budgeting for your marketing important? A budget provides a clear sense of direction for the management of your marketing efforts. A budget allocates scarce financial resources more effectively. A budget also encourages coordination and planning with other areas and people in your business. For example, the finance, operations, and HR department. A budget provides a basis for assessing actual results, how much you spend versus how much you earn from a particular marketing source. And a budget makes you successful. If you know how much you have in the budget to spend, you will have a better idea on which marketing avenues to go after to maximize your marketing return on investment. Steps on budgeting. Step number 1, define your business strategy and marketing plan. This is a simple instrument to help you achieve your business goals. This should include your objectives for the coming months or year. Step number 2, determine your current marketing spend. This includes a detailed breakdown of everything you are spending on to promote your business. Step number 3, measure the effectiveness of your spending. Track the effectiveness of marketing. It is important to measure your insights to be able to calculate return on investment. Step number 4, optimize your efforts. With all the information, you'll be able to create a marketing budget for the upcoming year. Step number 5, follow up and give guidance. Once your budget is set, monitor your insights regularly along with your actual spending and make any needed adjustments based on the effectiveness of your various activities. And follow up on your marketing and advertising teams. Your marketing goals are less likely to hit numbers if you do not give your team active guidance. Finally, it is important to note a marketing budget and strategy allows you to spend effectively on different channels. And a budget also allows you to scale your business effectively to reach your target audience and help you promote your new and existing products. A budget also allows you to grow your customer base. And that is a wrap for episode 6 of Marketing Heist. This episode's business feature is, drum roll please, Radio Energy 100 FM. To participate in our weekly giveaway, go onto our Facebook and Instagram page, and for more details on the giveaway, don't forget to subscribe and like and click that notification button on our YouTube page.